Hi, to lock white balance on the iPhone 13, we will need to open settings and here go in this camera section. Now after that choose record video and scroll a bit to see this lock white balance feature. If you would like to enable it, just tap on the switcher so it will light up green. So now about why this is necessary. The lighting around us is constantly changing, which affects the colors in the video. If the white balance is unlocked, the camera corrects the colors on its own, but this is not always a good thing. Locked white balance keeps the color stable even if the lighting changes. And the feature works with normal video, cinematic mode, and slow-mo, but does not affect time-lapse. So, if you are shooting in conditions with changing lighting, consider locking white balance if it won't degrade your video. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.